Yeah, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I couldn't really sleep, so I figured I sing this song to y'all. I was singing this to like some people in the youth group, and they said I sound like a modern day hummingbird. So come on, man.
Worship, baby, worship.
All right. We belong together, and it all right. How do we play with my heart? How do we play with my mind? Baby, together, and it all right. And leave me and never. And then the chorus goes. Come on, man. How am I post this, bro?
Bro, you gotta post it.
I was gonna post it on your page.